In this video, we're going to look at how to use the Sat Nav. Click on Home, which will bring you to this menu over here. From here, you want to click on Nav. Once you click on Nav, you just have to enter a postcode. So there's one that shows over here. So I'm just going to type in DH21LR. So if I click on that, I can just type in DH. Click on the number 21LR. It will then find the street for me, and then I can either save it or just click start on the destination. If it's an address that you go to often, we recommend that you click the save button so it's easier for you to actually access it via your favorites. Once you click start, you will then get your calculations done. Once the route has been calculated and your sat nav is ready to go, what you can do is on your steering wheel, using the right stalk control, you can actually head over to where it says
drive to the route shown.
Navigation, and you can actually select where you're going. Start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
So you can actually control the navigation via your stalk control if you needed to as well. Not only that, if you swipe up one more time, so from this menu, if you swipe up one more time, you will actually get the navigation showing up on your instrument cluster, so you don't have to look away from the actual sat nav, or you can have the sat nav over here whilst your media is actually being played on this side. So you have versatility with your sat nav. Other functions that you have with your sat nav, as I mentioned, you can favorite destinations as well. You can even check traffic along the way. Not only that, you can select alternative routes if you needed to, should you want to take an alternative route or you know that there's traffic on a certain route. So that was your quick guide on how to use the sat nav system.